Come along with me while I show you how to stitch out an embossed monogram. Our pumpkin embossed alphabet has been a customer favorite for years. First, you're going to want to hoop a piece of stabilizer. I prefer to use no-show mesh stabilizer on the back of my towels. I have applied a light spray adhesive to the back of my towel and smooth it out onto my hooped stabilizer. Next, you're going to want to apply a water-soluble topper to your towel, such as Solvay, and pin it in place. Using the water-soluble stabilizer on top will prevent your stitches from sinking into the towel, so this is a very important step. Load your design onto your embroidery machine and begin stitching it. The design is separated into several colors, but I have chosen to use all one color for this project. After you remove your project from the machine, you're going to unhoop your project and you're going to tear away as much as you can of this water-soluble stabilizer. It's going to be bits and pieces, but don't worry because we're going to get all that after. I'm going to remove these little pins and you're going to turn it over. And you want to cut away all of your excess stabilizer. Now on this, I used a no-show mesh stabilizer, which I frequently use for my towels. Some people will say, oh, but the back is going to show. And I say, well, who cares, because you're not displaying the back and you're going to fold it anyway. I have found personally, and this is really personal preference, but I have found that using a cutaway like a no-show mesh on the back of my towels, my towels are more durable, they wash well, and everything just lasts longer and nicer. So it doesn't bother me. But if it bothers you, then by all means, you will want to use like a water soluble, like a woven such as Violin or a tearaway. I like using a no-show mesh. So I'm just going to cut away the excess, and you'll want to do this neater, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So I've cut that away, and now we want to remove your water-soluble stabilizer. You can still see the film that's here, and all you do, it's really easy, is you're going to take something like a wet paper towel, which I have right here, and you're just going to lay it down and let it sit for a minute and pat it down. And you just want to give it like 15, 20, 30 seconds to get into that water-soluble stabilizer. Let it sit there for a little bit, and then you're going to slowly and carefully roll back your paper towel, and it's removing the water-soluble stabilizer. If it doesn't get it all at once, not to worry, you can fold your paper towel in half and you can press it down again and let it sit for a little bit longer, which I'm going to do. Press it down. Sometimes I actually will take like a little bit like an iron, and it like makes this big steam noise because it's wet, but it actually really does a good job at removing it. I'm just going to pull it back, and you have removed your water-soluble stabilizer. And there you have it, your embossed monogram. Using embossed monograms is a great, easy, and quick way to make some beautiful gifts and decor for your own home.